In this video, I'm going to share with you a strategy that have helped me find clients more easily when I was just getting started as a freelancer. So we all know finding your first client is the hardest part, and I always recommend new beginners to freelancing start with a freelancing platform. But the problem is there is a lot of competition in freelancing platforms. Fiverr, Offer, Freelancer.com. Whenever a client posted a project, there will be a lot of freelancers who already send their proposals, and that could be a little bit scary for someone trying to get started, because if you see one project there are 50 proposals, then you will think that your chance is very low, and that is true. The competition in freelancing platforms is a lot. There is a lot of noise in freelancing platform. So the strategy that I use is I try to reduce the competition when going for client, when looking for client. Let me give you an example. When I was just getting started, I was offering WordPress web design, and what I noticed was whenever a client posted a project on Freelancer.com, they are looking for a WordPress web designer, within a few hours there will be 50 to 100 proposals. 50 to 100 freelancers already send their proposals. So that reduces my chance as a complete new to getting the client. So what I did is, first, I want to become a freelance WordPress designer. I bought a domain name. I create a really nice template, really nice WordPress design landing page template, and I saved the template in my portfolio. And then instead of looking for clients who are looking for a WordPress web designer, I started looking for clients who are looking for WordPress landing page designer. And what I noticed was, for every project that was posted, if the client is looking for a WordPress web designer, there will be 50 to 100 proposals. But if the client is looking for a WordPress landing page designer, there will be like 10 to 20 proposals. So you see the number of proposals, the level of competition is a lot higher in WordPress web design. So this is the strategy that I use, and this is what helped me find clients more easily. And what you should do is, whatever service you are offering, chances are there are many smaller services within the big service. So what you should do is, you should try to find one little corner, one little service that you can start offering, which will give you the client who posted a project looking for maybe WordPress landing page designer are going to be less compared to the client who posted a project looking for a WordPress web designer. But the level of competition is extreme over there. So for that reason, you should go for a project that, even if the client who are looking for that, a freelancer who do that specific service, are not that many, you will still have a higher chance if you are among 20 who send their proposals compared to if you are among 100 who send their proposals. So if you are doing graphic design, you can choose to do only YouTube graphic design. You can choose to do maybe postcard design. You can choose to do t-shirt design. Instead of offering one broad service, you should find one more specific service within a service and start offering. So you too can do the same thing I did. First, you shall have very nice portfolio. You shall have very nice sample work that you can share to potential client. And when you have that, then you can find one little corner and start looking for client. Try as much as possible to minimize the level of the competition. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.